Hey, it's Humans Nation, it's Sylvia here again. I just wanted to reach out and remind you all that this is an incredible opportunity. This is a completely free live webinar that myself and this amazing software Helium 10 have been creating together to add massive value. If you're here today, it's probably because you already run a small business online or offline, or you would love to start your Amazon journey or scale the game up. So let me tell you something, when you run a small business, you always think that saving those £100 a month, $100 a month is going to actually have a huge impact in the long run. It's going to scale up your business and help you growing massively. This is a huge mistake. You have to save money, but on the right things. In 2019, Amazon has become such a competitive platform that you need to create that competitive advantage over everyone else to be ahead of the game. There are so many softwares out there, guys, so many tools available to every one of you, but there is one specific reason why I've chosen Helium 10. I've been trying Helium 10 and that software is creating an incredible advantage in my business, and I'm sure it can add massive value to you as well. It's an all-in-one software, so I'm literally unsubscribing and deleting Chrome extensions and other tools I've been using for almost 2 years now. 20 plus tools that you can use to run your business, to scale your business, from keywords research to listing optimization to product research. It's unbelievable. They can really have such an impact on your sales. During the webinar, we are gonna introduce you Helium 10 and their set of tools, and we're gonna go in depth with keywords and product research. So I hope you're gonna love it, but I am sure it's gonna add incredible value to you and your business. Good luck.